Happy Sabbath once again.
Yes.
Benefits of indoor plants. This morning's scripture reading is Jeremiah 17, verse 8. For he shall be as a tree planted by the waters, and that spreadeth out her roots by the river, and shall not see when heat cometh, for her leaf shall be green, and shall not be careful in the year of drought, neither shall cease from yielding fruit. Indoor plant types. There are foliage plants, which can be in the snake plant category or the pothos plants. I have two of those at home, one of each of those. There's also the flowering plant, which is like a peace lily plant. And there's the aspergillus plant, which is a spider lily. And I have a small one of the spider lilies as well as at home. The benefits of snake plants, they have low maintenance, they are stress reduction. If you're struggling with any stress, they are aesthetically appealing, and they are good if you have allergies. The peace lily plant improves sleep quality, is good for the humidity regulation, prevents mold formation, mental health boost, and the spider plant is good for easy to grafting, safe for pets, it's good for air purification, and it increases oxygen level. The wonders of plants. The Lord has made this earth with all the plants we need for our benefit. Can you imagine that before sin, every plant was beneficial? Today, some are beneficial and some not so much. If we need clean air, there is a plant to assist in this aspect. God will never leave us without aid for all of life's challenges. Our references are from southernliving.com, palmsguide.com, and healthline.com. Thank you so much for listening, and God bless you all.